Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. First of all, go to your Shopify store. We need to add reviews to our Shopify store to impress our customers. For that, you will simply go to the add app option here because we will be using an app integration that is available in Shopify app store. Click on Shopify app store and it will take you right here. Now you will navigate to search bar here and search for reviews, and there you go. We have not just one option but multiple options to add reviews to our Shopify store. We can also choose any of the apps from here according to our requirements. You can go with just.me, which is a product reviews with photos and videos for social proof and SEO. And then we have this one. This is also a product review. If you want to get reviews from AliExpress or Alibaba, you can go with Ali Reviews. Similarly, there are some of these options that are for a specific platform. Then we have this one, Ali Reviews Importer, and you can import your AliExpress or Amazon reviews to your Shopify store using these integrations. So now we are just going to choose any of these. These apps also help you with SEO and optimization. Click on the app, click on install and select your account. Now you just have to click on install app again. This is where you will get all the information and you can see the app has been added to our Shopify. Here we can not only just import the reviews we will be able to manage. We can check our request for the status and we can check the reviews. We can create email templates and much more. So this way you will be able to manage and organize your reviews on your Shopify store, and the more reviews you will have, of course, the more customers you will get. So this is one of the things that you really need to do for your Shopify store to upgrade it and to improve your sales. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.